really good at what he does. And I had to just kind of follow him around. He had like
Green lights again. So, let's see. Tornado warning. Tornado warning remains in effect until 2:15 a.m. EDT for northeastern Washtenaw County. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dexter, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ann Arbor, Ypsilanti, Dixboro around 1:45 a.m. EDT. Salem around 1:50 a.m. EDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Barton Hills and Delhi Mills. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornado, radar indicated. Max hail size 0.75 inches. Issuing office, Detroit. Source: National Weather Service. Issued Wednesday, April 13th, 1:37 a.m. EDT. So yeah, gonna be here for about 40 minutes. And my EAS scanner is not working. Can't see anything or hear anything. Hopefully God will protect us all. Thought it was just a severe thunderstorm warning, but no, apparently there's a tornadic thunderstorm. So I guess while I wait for this thing to pass by, I guess I could show you what happened. So, I remember that I got awakened by the EAS scanner sometime around, I think, 12:52 at first, somewhere around there. And it was a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson. I kind of just dismissed it and went back to sleep. And then I think there was one other time it went off, and then I turned it off again, and then there was this time where I waited a bit, and then I heard something. I was like, oh, there's sirens going out, and I immediately picked up my camera and started recording. So yeah. And that basically leads us to now. Seems like for now, and hopefully how it's gonna stay, is that you're just gonna hear that, just a bit of thunder and wind. Nothing very interesting. By the way, the power's not out, so at least that's a relief. I just have the lights turned off so I can kind of try to see the lightning better. It's relatively peaceful anyway. I think this has been the last actual warning for Washtenaw for a tornado ever since I don't even know, 2018, 2019. Actually, maybe even shorter. Maybe it was actually in 2014. I don't remember, but it was sometime before I moved here. Now, in the middle of the night, pretty much, we have a tornado. Camera. That was actually kind of funny. I'm sure you heard that too. By the way, this is all being filmed on my camera, GoPro. It's insane since I lately retired it since it just wouldn't work. But still going on right now. I'm surprised about that, and it's only out around 70%. 150. I feel like I heard that type of thunder roar before in a video. I forget which one it is. Maybe it was from the Abyssus soundtrack, I don't know. It's by Emile Van Krijken if you ever want to listen to that. Pretty sure the last actual warning was sometime in summer of 2024. It was just high winds